Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the GIGABYTE M34WQ, a 34-inch gaming monitor that promises an immersive experience. With a stunning 3440 by 1440 IPS display and a 144Hz refresh rate, gaming on this monitor is a visual delight. The 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio truly pulls you into the action, enhancing your gaming experience. The 1 millisecond response time ensures smooth and fluid gameplay, and the studio-grade VISA display HDR400 combined with a 91% DCI-P3 color gamut delivers vibrant and accurate colors. Whether you're a competitive gamer or someone who appreciates stunning visuals, this monitor has you covered. One standout feature is the KVM functionality, allowing you to control multiple devices seamlessly. It's a game-changer for those who multitask or switch between different setups. The inclusion of two HDMI 2.0, one DisplayPort 1.4, and one USB Type-C provides versatile connectivity options. The monitor also caters to convenience with two USB 3.0 ports and built-in speakers, eliminating the need for external audio devices. The 178-degree viewing angle ensures consistent visuals from various positions. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE M34WQ impresses with its specifications and features, making it a top choice for gamers and content creators alike. The combination of a high refresh rate, low response time, and KVM functionality sets this monitor apart in the crowded gaming monitor market. If you're in the market for a feature-packed ultra-wide gaming monitor, the GIGABYTE M34WQ is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.